Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L in a dark gray color, front wheel drive, currently does not have any strobes or flag mounts on it. All of those can be added into your color choice. This just came in yesterday. We have outfitted it with a few funeral accessories, including the vinyl wrap rear windows here with the landau bar. I like to do the vinyl wrap, especially on the dark gray cars, as it's easier to color match to the car, so it looks proportional. Most of these panels only come in black, so it does clash against the dark gray exterior. Interior wise, black on black leather here with the folding casket floor, so that gives you the flexibility to be able to pull up these center seats and use this as a 4-passenger van without removing the tray from the vehicle. Once again, none of the tables that we offer here at Park Superior Sales for first call vehicles make any modification to the car itself. So you could easily remove those tables, pop them right out, and you would be no wiser to ever having a casket table into the car. However, they do lay in very nice. They are secure into the car, and this one does fold back on top of itself, as you will see in both the demo and the 80+ photos on the website under this vehicle. It does have a storage cubby over on this side. Does have beer pins on here as well. We can add cot cups to this floor. This is the new style floor here. We're going back to the center roller instead of offsetting to the right, as you have plenty of room to be able to lean that driver's seat back, no matter how large or how tall you are as a driver. On all the doors on this vehicle, they are fully powered. You can operate them both by the touch button that I've been doing so far. Inside the cabin, above the driver's dome light, and on the key fob itself. As you look in here as well, once again, black on black leather. A 22 Pacifica comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio. Does also have remote start, a backup camera, and parking sensors in the rear. So fully functional from Chrysler here. You still have factory Chrysler remaining warranty on this 2022, along with a parts warranty on top of it. We have gone through the entire car and serviced it to make sure it is ready to be put in service at your funeral home. Once again, this 22 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, which means it is a higher model than just the base and comes with black leather seats, is currently available. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. We can deliver to all 48 states and even ship out of the country if necessary. I do not have a lot of first call vans in at the moment as they are flying off the shelves. I sold 2 in the last week and a half alone. So this one is available, and I do have another black one coming in stock by the end of the week. Thank you very much, and talk to you in the next one.